How to edit your gigs in Fiverr. Hey, I'm Susan Fouché. I'm a top-rated seller on Fiverr, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your gigs on Fiverr. So here we go. So when you first get into Fiverr, if your screen looks like mine, great. If it doesn't, then here's what you're going to do. You're either going to click on this Fiverr logo in the upper left-hand corner, or you can click on Dashboard in the upper left-hand corner. So this actually is your dashboard, and what I'm going to do is show you how to get into the place where you can edit your gigs. So to do that, just go all the way over to the right. I got a little message from Kat Perez. You're going to go all the way to the right to where your picture is. And you're just going to simply click on your picture. If you don't see your picture, then just simply scroll over and you'll be able to see it. But you want to click on your picture over to the right. It's right next to either switch to buying or switch to selling, whatever you see. So go ahead and click on your picture. And then you're just going to go down to Profile. So the way that you edit is you just simply click on the gig that you want to edit. Let's say you want to edit your phone system gig or whatever you want to do. Let's say I want to edit my phone system gig. I just simply click it. And then you'll see in the upper right-hand corner a blue hyperlink for edit. And that is how you edit. Now, up here kind of at the top, not the top, but like top, below the top. Second to the top, you'll see you've got, all of the places for your overview. If you want to change anything in your overview, like the gig title, any of the search tags. You also have your pricing. So if you want to change any of your pricing, you can do that under pricing and all of your gig extras. You can also change your description in facts. And then down here are your facts, your FAQs. And I do recommend that you have FAQs. If you don't have FAQs, put them in because it helps you with your search results. And then your requirements, and these are just the questions that you're asking your clients, all the things that, they're going to need, like the script, any, voice match that they want you to do. And to switch out the thumbnails or any of the audio or video, that is gallery. So in here, gallery, you have an opportunity to put in a video. And you all know I do voiceover, but whatever you sell on Fiverr, every single seller can put in a video. I highly recommend putting in a video. Hire somebody off of Fiverr, or you can make a video in PowerPoint. But I would say definitely have a video because video is really engaging, and it actually has right here over here on the right, videos can increase user engagement by 40%. I absolutely 100% believe that. Whenever I'm looking for a seller on Fiverr, whenever I need to buy anything from a Fiverr, seller, if they have a video, I'm more likely to buy from them because it just is more engaging. Down here, if you are a music or audio person, you do have an opportunity to put in audio right in here. And the way that you switch those out is just the edit hyperlink. And you can also go over here and actually put your mouse pointer on top of the WAV file audio, and you'll see there's a trash can that'll allow you to actually delete it, and then you just upload whatever new one that you have, like a new demo or a new sample, whatever. And then down here at the bottom, these are the thumbnails that correlate to the audio. So your video is video, pictures and audio together. So your top thumbnail is going to go on the top audio. Your second thumbnail is going to go in the second audio. Third thumbnail will go on the third audio. And then, and of course, to switch those out, again, it's just you hover your mouse over top of the thumbnail, click on the trash can, that deletes it from Fiverr, and then you can upload your new one. And I've got a ton of videos about how to make really great thumbnails in Canva. Check them out. Canva is a great resource. And the last thing are the PDFs, which I 100% recommend that you have. And so mine don't look like PDFs. They look like thumbnails. That's because I made them in Canva and I saved them. They're a thumbnail size and I saved them as a PDF. So you can do that, or you can just have a regular PDF. And to switch those out, just hover your mouse pointer over top of them and you'll see the little trash can. Same thing down here, trash can. Or if they're empty, that just means that you can upload. So that is how you change out and edit your gig gallery in Fiverr. Take advantage of that. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day. Have a successful week. Take care. Bye.